Hey, what's up everyone? Just got back from vacation. Me and the family went to Florida. It was amazing. Here's some B-roll.
Wake up, get up, stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs, brush my teeth up, wash my face, throw my clothes on, start my day.
We had a lot of fun. My wife, she's about to go on a girls trip. I wish I had a guys trip. No, I'm kidding. She works her off taking care of our 4 kids. She has a dance studio, so she deserves this. But that means I have 2 days to customize her MacBook Air. I hope I can get it done by the time she gets back, and I hope she doesn't kill me for painting all over her computer. So let's get...
Hey, Dad! I thought you said you were going to take us to the new Space Jam movie.
Alright, well, I guess I'll be back in a little bit. Alright, we're back home from the movie. It was pretty good. We went and saw the new Space Jam. I might just be old, but I like the first one better. Sorry, LeBron. But hey, let's run upstairs real quick and get my wife's laptop. Alright, first things first, let's take a picture of it. What are we gonna clean this with? Let's try this. Yep, that'll work. Much better. All right. All right, let's get this sketch going.
I don't know if I'm okay. I don't see the light of day. Looking up to higher ground, thinking that'll be your sweet escape. These days gotta schedule the romance. They say that love is a slow dance. A short bike ride to the crib, using no hands. Oh shit, it feel like I'm floating, but I'm falling with both eyes closed when I let the world spin. Testing the water, she got my nerves tense. Back when I ain't even have a purpose, I was so eager to learn some things. Anxiety bring out the worst in me. Society paint me as enemy. My niggas making it by that remedy. I'm more occasional, don't do it regularly. Backs under my eyes, weighing down heavily. Mama been worried, the devil.
I will see you guys bright and early. We gotta get this finished. I want to make sure we get all of this done before my wife gets here, but I'm going to bed.
A few moments later.
Check, I might do it again. Enemies close.
It's time to wake up. Let's go.
Toes down, I'll be free until the end. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll.
All right, day 2. Let's get this prepped. Let's get to it.
Hella chainers, necklace all decorated. All this got me feeling jaded. Hold up, I'll be waiting. Bad thing on my radar. Tell me that I'm in a place. Flower bomb, see you love this. I be thinking that I'm famous. I remember when I prayed for this. No sleep, cause I'm anxious. All this for entertainment. Crazy thinking that it's day one. All this spinach for the taking. Yeah, hold it down for the nameless. Yeah, oh yeah. I've been on a grind, yeah. Like I'm really on the rails, like on the line, yeah. I've been getting mines in, I've been on the you, nothing left to lose. Get into the bag, yeah. I've been on the you, I'm seeing how you move.
Alright guys, I finally finished. My wife says she's about 5 minutes down the road. I gotta clear coat this, and I'm gonna have to change before she sees me. Here we go. let's get changed. All right, much better. Hey.
Hi,
How was your trip?
Good. It's a lot of fun.
Good. We have a surprise for you.
What?
I customized your laptop.
What? This is my computer?
You like it?
Yes, I love it.
Good, because I thought you were going to kill me.
It has all my favorite stuff on it.
All right, it's all done. My wife loves it, which I'm stoked about because I really did think that she was gonna kill me. I'm glad she had a great time on her trip, and I'm so glad that I got this done in only 2 days. I sanded it, customized it, clear coated it, got it finished right when she was walking in the door. Oh yeah, and I did all of that with our 4 kids. I'm super excited, and I'm glad you guys came to watch, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.